A frog up on a rock. Frank kicking a small ball. A bit of moss on a brick wall. A brick wall with a crack on it. A small man with a long neck. A pink sock with small red dots. A man with a sack on his back. A black duck stuck in the muck. A black truck on the top of a hill. A long black dress with a frill on it. A small black clock on a red wall. A long bit of thick string on a desk. A doll with a pink smock and a hat. A black cat licking a small pink dish. A red snack box with a pink lid on it. A rash on the back of a man's neck. A red flag on the end of a long stick. A brick wall with moss on the top of it.